Inform your friends to join the class. We will wait for 2 minutes. Let them join. We will start the class next. Two 522. Hello, 522. 522. It is audible to you guys? Hello, guys. Anyone is there in this section? Okay, Sana.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. You're audible.
Okay, I'm saying one number. This now, who is this? Let me know, guys. 59, 59, and 57. Okay, 59, 57, 11, 4, 3, and 17 series 6. So I'm not received booklet, answer booklet of this 6 members. So I'm keeping absent to you guys.
Ma'am, I submitted, ma'am.
No, I didn't got it. 57 and 53. 59, 57, 11,
Ma'am,
4, 3.
inform them. Please give them today's time because multiple links had been forwarded by you. So
Okay,
some
wait.
students had issues.
You said me about multiple for exam.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
didn't send you multiple links. I send you one link
No, ma'am.
before the exam.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, I thought this was assignment booklet.
I'm
For
not saying about assignment. I have given time after exams also. You can send me the assignment. This is not assignment. This is the booklets, guys. That day you have to submit. I didn't receive this 3-4 members booklets.
Ma'am, I have submitted and sent the screenshot in group, ma'am.
Where you submitted? I have
You,
received
ma'am.
everyone.
You have
Only
sent
this
the
one.
mail.
Mail.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you send it me mail?
No, ma'am, you have sent me mail.
No, I didn't send mail to anyone, guys. Yeah, everyone I said you that use this link for the book assignments, answer sheets. What I should to know? I am not receiving the 6 booklets.
Ma'am, I've sent, ma'am.
When? Where? You are joining with your name or your
No,
hall
ma'am,
ticket
in
number?
with the help of SCMRTC mail itself, ma'am.
503. No, it was not there. Even though I didn't receive your assignment, I think. Wait. I have done the correction. So 503. No, I have not even received your assignment to 503 and 504.
Ma'am, should I forward you the numbers?
Which numbers?
The one you've just said.
No, not required. Let them
Okay,
know.
ma'am.
I have already noted. I have done that, but let them know that what they have done. I have not received the answer sheet and the mid exams of 504 and 3.
Okay, ma'am.
And
504 and 503
and
assignment
as
also
well
not.
as 11 also I have not received the mid and the assignment booklets. $59.
Yes, ma'am. I have forwarded the numbers, ma'am, to the group.
Okay, 59 and 57 same. No assignment, no booklet. 17 series, fine arts, no assignments, no booklet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm 17 series 506 have submitted my assignment.
17 series that only. I have not received the assignment. 17 series, fine not 6. And the most of the members, what you have written in the assignment, guys. Second question. You have written the half question, what I have given and what you have written there. 17 series. Okay, you have sent me mail as your number or what? 17 series. 506.
Excuse me, ma'am.
506. Oh, wait,
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
You have, where you sent me message or mail? What you have done?
Ma'am,
I have not received anything from you.
in the classroom link have been submitted, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Can I share a screenshot, ma'am?
I'm saying the numbers. Note. Listen, guys. These numbers I have received the assignment as well as booklets. Okay. 17 series G note. Okay. 501, 505, 508, 512, 518, 520. And next is 523, 28, 29, 31, 40, 44, 46. 40, I have not received your assignment. Book admit assignment.
Ma'am, I have submitted, ma'am. Once check. I have submitted 2 times, ma'am.
Mid assignment, no. It is displaying the answer script.
I have submitted, ma'am. Once I'll check and I'll inform you, ma'am.
Once again, try to send the assignment.
Okay,
And the
ma'am.
44, 46, 55, and the 58, right? 58, I have not received the 58 answer script. 58, are you there? 58. 58. Just I have received from you that mid assignment.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just forward it to him. I think he has some issue.
Yes. Who's to whom? What you are saying? 58. Who is 58? Is there 58?
Ma'am, Sandeep, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He has some connectivity, ma'am, and his mic doesn't work most of the times.
So I have not received the assignment script from Sandeep, and the same like 59,
Okay,
same
ma'am.
thing. 26 to both, and the 53 and 63, 15. 13. Ankit.
Ma'am, why not mine?
Ankita, ma'am.
Ma'am, 513 I have submitted both.
I got both of them. I am telling the names which I have received. If I am not received, I am telling to them. So 507, 570, no assignment.
Ma'am, Ankita 509 I have submitted both.
Yeah, I received the both thing.
Okay. Ma'am, 513 also I have submitted both, ma'am.
Who is 536?
Ma'am, Kirtana, ma'am.
So these the persons who are not submitted assignments as well as booklet. So inform them. Once
Ma'am,
call me.
536 also?
Yeah, 36. Call me once. Inform them to call me.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can
Ma'am, there is
solve this
just
problem.
one thing. There is just one thing. Roll number 503 and roll number 557. Srilekha and Shikhar, ma'am, they've just sent me their screenshots of assignments being handed in. Do I forward the screenshots to you?
1 second. I don't want screenshot, guys. I want the assignment booklet in my file, because
Ma'am,
I
why?
want to show this, not that I have. If I said that, sir, they are sent it, I have not received it. This is not the correct way. Okay, na? So I want
Ma'am,
to inform.
understood.
I want to share
But
this. I will give the marks based on the answer sheet only, right? I have
yes,
to
ma'am,
give based on
understood.
the yeah.
पर वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि उन लोग ने सबमिट कर दिया, कि उनके जो मैम क्लासरूम है उसमें दिखा रहा है कि they've already turned in the assignment.
One second, let them try.
अच्छा ma'am, I will ask them to get in contact with you.
Yeah, let them contact me. I will do something.
Ma'am, I've submitted my assignment and booklet, ma'am.
Your number is?
530.
Yeah, I got that, Kirtana. Just this 5, 6 members. 58, 59, 57, 11, 4, 3, 17 says 506. Okay, guys, we will start our class. And your marks will be, I will show you after 2 days. After 2 days. Okay, na? And we will go with the lab, guys. Okay guys, look at this. So this is one your windrunner. Okay, so we don't have software, that's why I'm going with the YouTube. Okay, YouTube videos. So in this it was showing the process of how to start the windrunner. Okay, and how to do the recording, all those things. After seeing this, once I will explain you. Okay, so it was showing the procedure, how to select the recording system modules. Okay, next it will show to how the system will run. Okay, windrunner, how the windrunner run. So once look at that, so you will get the clarity, because I already explained you about this guys. So look at this guys. So this person is opening the windrunner. So this is the home page of windrunner. That person is selected the new file. So this page will be open guys. So this is the page of windrunner. So after that you have to open this will be a one version flight. Okay, this you have to open, then you have to run your windrunner. Okay, so it will be ask the password. Okay, and name and the password, it is Mercury in our college. So name is Mercury and password is also Mercury. So this page will be open, this page will be displayed. So you have to fill these details. So before that you have to verify. Okay, and you have to check the recording. Here look at this mouse, it was recording. So whenever you are running the windrunner, these two windows should be open guys, this windrunner and the flight. So this person is selecting the recording. Okay, so look at here, it was displaying this, whatever the things we are doing, it will be start recording over here. Okay, so this person, after seeing the recording, what he done, this page is opened, right? So this is displaying over here, look at this page here. So whatever the performance, whatever the mouse is doing, it will be recorded over there. So this thing when we will use means when you are doing your testing your software, right? That time you want to know that it was type stage, what steps is performing, how that step is giving response to you. So that time we are using this kind of testing things. Okay, so look at this. So after filling of each and everything is selected insert. Okay, so then it will displaying over here thing. Okay, so if you're deleting the record, here it was showing that too. So whatever in this software, what you have done this in this flight, what you have performed, that what where your mouse is went and what you are doing the steps, it will be recorded each and everything, and it will be displayed over here. Okay, so now one second guys. Now the person is stopping the recording. So look at this. So here it will save file. So you have to select the path and give your file name. So here this recording, it shows the whatever the steps what you have done, right? So it will be show each and everything. So look at here. So it is running the file. So what you have done, the things in this steps it was showing, right? Here it was showing the step, right? You have selected this and you have inserted names or whatever you have done over here, right? So the same thing it will be show over here. So whatever the steps you have performed in the software, it will be recorded and it will be run as well, same like that. Okay. So here it will be inserted what you have done in it. So look at here, there is a mouse over here. So it was showing here, look at this. This is the mark where you are finding these things, what you have done. These are the steps you have done. It is following the steps here, from here. So guys, next this is the second one of your experiment. Next we will go that GUI. Before going to GUI, let me you have to know what is GUI. So GUI is nothing but a graphical user interface. So in this, what you are doing, whatever the graphical user interface means, for it will be what a user is means client, how they are interacting with your system, how they are performing. So it will be tested in this graphical user interface. So in the GUI stands for graphical user interface, where user interacting with the computer, so using the images, icons, rather than the returning the concept for every task. So in this example GUI, what they will check, text box, okay, checking box, radio buttons, down arrow, up arrow, etc. This kind of things will be tested in the GUI. So GUI is nothing but a graphical user interface, where the user is interacting with your system, okay, where the user is interacting with your computers, images, icons, which you are given in the software. So these things will be checked, and it will be checked in this GUI concept. So in the GUI means, what you are testing in the GUI means, GUI is testing the procedure of testing the application graphical user interface. So it will check the application in the graphical user interface. Okay, the GUI's testing involves involve the checking the screens, okay, with the controlling like menu, button, icon, toolbar, menu bar, dialog box, windows, okay, contact spellings. So these things will be checked into the GUI. What they will check in this GUI testing is nothing but, it will be including checking the screen, okay, menu, buttons, icon, toolbar, menu bar, dialog box, and windows, context links. So these things will be checked into the GUI box. So GUI box is nothing but a it is testing the user interaction with the systems, how the user for example, you are using the you are using website, okay, anyone. So you will check the menu bar, so its menu bar is working properly or not, okay. So you will text box will be there. If you're using the Facebook, anything, you will text something, so that for it will be check the text box is working or properly or not. So dialog box, toolbar, buttons, sign in button it will working properly or not, we will check in the GUI testing of your software, your application. Okay, are you clear with this? So how we are doing the GUI, let's look at this, the way of GUI. So before that, guys, I will say you the steps, okay, what we are doing in the first. We are opening the WinRunner, and same like this, we are selecting a new text, okay. Next we are opening the flight, okay, flight application. Then we are doing the login and password. You're giving the login and password, okay. Just now I've said display that window, right, video, that person is same thing. Then we are starting the recording on the context segment mode, okay. Then open the order dialog box. Then you have to open the order dialog box in flight application, okay. Then you have to create a GUI checkbox. That for creating what is the procedure, choice create GUI checkbox, okay. From the create, you have to select the GUI checkbox, then for a single property. So you are doing for the single property, so you have to select the GUI single property. So next we have to stop the recording and the save the text. Then GUI checkbox appear. Okay, then it will be appear the GUI text box to you. So it will the one window will be appear in the desktop. It will show the checking property of your object. Okay, Windows is display. So that window is display over there. So next, what you have to do, since for running the tester, for running the application, make sure that above save text file application are open, so that when you are running the windrunner and the flat application should be open. Okay, so in windrunner, check the verify the mode is selected. So you have selected mode or not, you have to check it. Okay, in the toolbar. Okay, then choice run from the top. So run testing dialog box open. Okay, accept the tester run name. Then you have to accept the test run name and you have to click the open. So it will be run and it will be display you the result. So look at the procedure of it. So this person is opening the windrunner. So look at it, it's asking the password, name and password. So the flight mode is opening, flight application. So you have to do the recording. So you have selecting the order number from the file. So here it was showing the recording each and everything what you have performing. You have done the stop, save. Now it's running the file. Then you have selected that file. So this thing will be displayed over there. So event is start run. Okay, and the experiment is 2. So running, pass, and the time. So this thing, if you're done with manually, for GUI is the best part for GUI is not testing is, for example, when you are developed that application on software, that time you can't do the same thing, you can't enter the same thing next. When you are testing that application, you have to check that this browser, this inbox, this name and password is performing properly or not. If you are verifying that, you will get to know that. Okay, so if you are clicking the checkbox, okay, or sign up button, if you are clicking sign up checkbox, so that time just DUI is performing properly or not. So you can't, for each and every number, each and every name, you can't check that. Okay, so for that purpose you are going with the GUI. If you go with this GUI, so if you are clicking once, if you are running the software, it will it will check in with the different numbers and different names. So look at this. This is analog recording. So in this, what you have opened in the system, so look at here, the movement of your mouse, it was recording over here. Look at this, whatever the movement you are performing, it was recording over here. where your cursor is moving, what you are performing in the system. It is recording each and everything. Look at here. Look at this. Okay, now I stop it recording. Saving the file. So it is running. So look at this point mark. So whatever the steps, whatever the movement you have performed, okay, so it will be follow these things, okay, these steps. Look at. So it was even shows the your output what you have printed in that. So when you are doing the analog recording is best for signature purpose, signature or printing purpose, because it will be recorded exactly that thing and it will be displayed same thing. So in the second lab I have shown you the video about the analog recording and synchronized recording, difference of about the recordings. So this is the best recording for your signature purpose. So look at this, your output, your result of your application. So this is the UI test case. So it will be display the result like this. Okay. So for and UI is for the single property. Okay, and the single object. Okay, and this for single object, same procedure you have to follow. In single object, what they will do means, okay, graphical user interface object application verify the GUI checkpoints using the WinRunner. Okay, GUI checkpoint examine the behavior of your object property. So it will be examine your behavior of object property. So same thing, first you have to start the WinRunner and you have to open the new text. Then you have to open the flight. Okay, flight application. Next you have to start the recording the context segment mode. Okay, then you have to open the dialog box. Right. So look at this. You have this is your window, right? You have started the application. You have selected the context segment mode, right? Then you have to open the flight application. So you have selected order. Okay, just now in this video that person is done. Once again, if you want, you can see that video. Same that same thing is doing over here. So it is checking, selecting the GUI. Okay, for single property object. So look at here, we have three types of GUI checkpoint. Okay, single, multiple, object. Okay, single property, object, multiple object. So you are doing for object, right? You have to select the object over here. So it will be displayed like this. Okay, this screen, GUI checkpoint. Then GUI dialog box open. Okay, double click the order click. Okay, order number So here you have to give the order number in the checkbox. Then you also have to say the OK. Then after saying the OK, this page will be displayed. Okay, GUI checkpoint is created. So this is the GUI checkpoint. Okay, it was created over here. So this page, this will be displayed over here. So whatever the performance you have done, it will be show over here. So this is the last procedure of your GUI. So next, if you are running, first you have to save the file. Okay, save the file. Then you have to stop recording. Then you have to save the file. Then you have to run your application. So if you just click on the run, so it will be display this your output. Okay, so start run. So you have to look at this image, guys. This one. Start GUI checkpoint. In GUI checkpoint, start GUI checkpoint, start. So start running, stop running, and what you have GUI checkpoint is there. It was checking over there. Okay, it was displaying this. Then it will be display this page, GUI page. Okay, so it will be check the expected value and the actual values, okay, of your program. So here look at this, it will be comparing your values. It will be display over here. So this image, look at this image and this image. So here look at this, here expected and actual value it is showing. Okay, look at this, it is matching or not, it will be displaying over here. Look at this. So in the first lab you have done the program and you have done the manual testing. So you're saying the expected testing and the manual testing. So what you have done in there, you have given the different numbers, different input, and you have tested that program, right? So it will be taking the time, right? For you have to give the different, for each running time you have to insert the new number and you have to do. So if you are having the big software, that time you are doing manual testing is difficult. So that time, for that purpose, you are going with this kind of testing. So you are going with the GUI testing. This testing is performing over there. Are you clear with this? So and guys, I am sending this mail. Okay, this is material in the class note. So use this material and start writing the records, guys. So in the record, so this is your first experiment. You have to write this first experiment and you have to go with your figures. Okay, these images, take a printout and paste in the record. Okay, start writing the record, guys. Okay, so we don't have time, so you have the experiments. So I have finished 4 experiment. Okay, 3 experiment. Till here start writing the record, guys. So in the next class I want the record, guys, and don't worry about the notes. Classwork I will do with that, and to whom I have given that numbers let contact me after completion of class. Attendance please, guys. Are you clear with this too? Say me, guys. Are you okay with this to experiment? Anyone is there in this class? Hello? Attendance please, guys. Attendance.
Ma'am, sentence is 506.
506, call me after the class.
Ma'am, I have some unsubmitted and submitted again, ma'am.
Why you have done this thing?
Ma'am?
Call me after.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. So your next class, which your one second, guys. Okay, 16 series. 16 series. 16 series. 17 series.
I'm 506.
Okay, next. 17
556,
series.
ma'am.
5.
56.
Next. Next is 17 series. 1 to 10.
505, ma'am.
503, ma'am.
3. 3. Contact me.
501,
Next.
ma'am.